Welcome back, everyone. Today I have a 2014 Nissan Frontier, another case of the backup camera not working. I know I have a video out on an FJ Cruiser backup camera not working. I wanted to make another video to show the similarities between different makes and models. A lot of these systems are the same. Hall effect sensors still have 5 volts ground and a signal wire. Every make or model, they all do. It's a real smart guy named Jim Morton who says 85% of the cars are all the same, just 15% is a little different. So I'm just making this video to show everyone that there is a lot of overlap between videos. And if you can diagnose one make or model, you should be able to diagnose most. So we're going to dig into this one. To get access to the backup camera, I had to remove the black cover from the tailgate. And there is a gray connector that I'm going to be back probing. To back probe this connector, I'm just going to be using this new flexible needle point that I got off Amazon. They're super cheap and they work really well. I'll leave a link in the description and you guys can check them out. I'm really liking these. So with the car in reverse, you can see I have 6 volts on my power wire, which is good. That's what it calls for. You can see I have 0 on my ground. I also have 0 volts on my camera ground. And the last wire I want to check is my video return. And this is the waveform I get on my video return wire. So I'm using a 2 volt scale in a 1 millisecond time base on my snap-on scope. So the entire screen is just 1 millisecond long. I'm on the video return wire. And I should have about a 0.5 volt to negative 0.5 volt waveform, and I'm not. I'm only going down to about negative 0.3. So I'm pretty sure that this camera is bad, so I'm going to swap it out and show you what a good waveform looks like. Now I'm on that same video return wire, and you can see that the waveform is substantially different. So I am now going from 0.5 to negative 0.5. And I'll show you that the camera is now working. So here you have it. This one's all fixed. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the FJ Cruiser backup camera video so that you all can see the similarities between the diagnostic process for the two of them and show that there's really nothing to be afraid of. So if you know how one system works, you most likely know how they work on most makes and models. I'm doing a tool giveaway. I released a video of a few days ago for reaching 1,000 subscribers. And I'm giving away a pulse sensor, delta sensor. It has a couple different names, but if you go to that video, I'll also leave a link in the description below to that video. So I guess I'll see you all next time.